everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. This video is all about Madam Glam. If you guys have not heard about Madam Glam, they offer HEMA-free, cruelty-free, nine-free, gluten-free, vegan gel polishes. They have over 1,500 gel colors and 700 plus shades to choose from. Madam Glam put together a little kit for me to share with you guys. It contains base coat, top coat, 2 gel colors that's called bobbing apples, and You're So Vain, as well as a mini UV LED 6-watt nail lamp. And this is what the colors look like side by side. I really like these colors. They went on really smooth and they only cured for 30 seconds and they were fully cured. So you already know I'm going to do a nail design with these colors. So automatically I already prepped my nail beds, I put my tips on, filed it, shaped it how I wanted. Now I'm gonna go in with my nail prep and I'm going to dehydrate my nail plates, making sure there's no oils that are left on my natural nails. And then I will be going in with my clear rubber base and I will be adding a very thin layer, and then I will cure this for 60 seconds in my LED UV nail lamp. I'm gonna go in with some IBD pink hard gel, and I am going to add a thin layer to all of the nails, and then I will be curing this for 30 seconds. I'm gonna go back in with a second layer of gel, and I'm not gonna build it up. I'm just gonna do 2 thin layers because I want to put the gel polish. I want to make a design with the gel polish, and then I want to encapsulate. So I don't want the nails too bulky, so that's why I'm only gonna go in with 2 layers of this builder gel. For the ring finger, I'm only going to build up a portion of the nail bed. I wanted to make an extended nail bed, and then I changed my mind and I only did it to one side. So it's kind of like a diagonal nail bed, if that makes sense. But after I cure this, I do go in with a second amount and then I build it up because I did want a high ledge. And you're gonna see me filing this later on to make that edge sharp. After that, I'm going to take some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm going to remove that sticky layer that's left over after curing. And then I'm going to go in with my 100-180 grit nail file, and then I'm going to refine the side walls and then just buffen up or kind of shape the top portion of it, because we are going to go straight in with some gel polish. For this ring finger, this is where I start refining and really getting that side wall crisp from that extended nail bed that I created. I don't even know what you would really call it, just like a swoop nail bed, but this is where I ended up just sharpening that ledge. taking my little palette out, I'm going to add a small amount of both gel polishes to that palette, and then I'm going to take a dotting tool and swirl it around to give it a marble effect. After I do that, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pick it up slightly so I still get that marble effect when I'm laying it to the bottom half of that ring finger. After I cover the whole nail, or the bottom half of the nail, I flash cure it for 30 seconds. I do use a dotting tool to try to get up into that little corner section, as well as making sure it's touching that ledge. I'm gonna add some of this rose gold foil. I think it'll look really good with the colors, and then I'm going to add it right on top of that gel. It still has like a sticky layer, so it'll stick right onto it. I'm going to go in with some clear IBD hard gel, and then I'm going to encapsulate this nail, and then I do cure it for a full 60 seconds. For the pinky nail, I'm going to do a full coverage nail of the You're So Vain. I actually just did one coat of this, and then I did take some of the bobbing apples color, and then I added a little bit to that tip section just to give it a little bit of a design. And then I did go back in with some gold foil, and I think this nail came out really cute. After I was happy with how it looked, I cured it for 30 seconds. For the middle finger, I'm going to take both colors. I'm going to do bobbing apples on the right side of the nail and You're So Vain on the left, and I'm going to do a vertical ombre. So when doing this, I first add the darker color, and then I come in with the lighter color, and with that same brush, I'm blending it down the middle, and I do it several times so both colors do mix together to get that blending ombre effect. And I do go in with a second coat and cure this for a full 60 seconds. For the index finger, I am going to repeat the pinky nail design, and I'm going to do it in reverse though. So I'm going to add the bobbing apples to the entire nail, and then I'm going to do the You're So Vain accent at the tip with the same rose gold foil. For the thumb, I'm going to do a full coverage of You're So Vain, and then I'm just going to keep it simple and just add a little bit of the rose gold foil to the tip and then cure it. After all of my designs are complete, I'm going to go in with some clear IBD builder gel and start encapsulating all of these nails. This is where I start focusing on the apex and making sure the strength is where it needs to be. I'm the type of person that likes to have my gel polish encapsulated. It's just something that I prefer. You can do this design on top of a fully completed nail, but like I said, my preference, to me, it just looks better when it's encapsulated. So after I encapsulate all of these nails, I do cure it for a full 60 seconds. Coming in with some alcohol and lint-free wipe to try to get all of that inhibition layer removed. When curing gel does leave a residue after curing it, so to remove that, just take some alcohol and you can rub it right off. Now I'm gonna go in with my 180 grit nail file, and I'm going to start filing the side walls, the free edge, and over top to shape. After that, I'm coming in with my fine taper drill bit, and I'm going to start going around the cuticle area, making sure it is sealed. Coming in with my white buffing black, I'm going to remove any of the scratches that are left over either from the nail file or the e-file. After that, I'm going to go in with some more alcohol and a brush and really scrub the nails and around the cuticle area, making sure there's no dust that's left over. Now I'm going to take some of these gold Swarovski crystals as well as some of these gold caviar beads, and then I'm going to start adding them to around the cuticle area, and I'm going to add a design to each of the nail. I'm going to use my Macar nail rhinestone thick glue to add these crystals, and then I do cure each finger individually before moving on to the next. Taking Madame Glam's top coat, I'm going to start coating all of the nails, and I do go over the caviar beads because I don't want them to tarnish. But after I add them to all of the nails, I cure it for a final 60 seconds. After I cured it for the full 60, I did feel like a little tacky layer on top, so I did have to take more alcohol and wipe it clean. But after that, they were super shiny and they looked so good, and I was so excited and happy and pleased at how this set came out. And this is how they look. I think they came out so pretty and the colors look so good together. I do have their website linked below, as well as a coupon code. If you use Lissette30, you get 30% off of your entire order. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.